How to slow-mo video on iPhone after recording. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to slow-mo video on iPhone after recording. The slow-mo feature of iPhone only works if you actually recorded the video on slow-mo, but if you use your normal camera and want the video to be slow-mo, we will be needing to use third-party applications. And for today's video, I'll show you two options. The first option is the Afterlight video. So if you don't have this application just yet, just download it from the App Store because you have so many options you can do here. But let's open Afterlight video. And on Afterlight video, you should see all your recent photos and videos once you open it. And just scroll from here. Let's say we want to edit this one. Just tap on the arrow icon. And this is the normal ratio right now. So I'm just going to go with that by tapping on the check icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see, we have the option to edit at the bottom right corner again. Tap on that. And from here, you should see speed, the second icon on the bottom, at the bottom of the page. Tap on that. And you can choose from the speed. So since we want it slower, let's try the 0.5, which is like this. Or we can also go with the 0.25, which is a lot slower. Once you're satisfied with the speed, just simply tap on the check icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on the arrow at the right top corner of the page. And then you can save it on your camera roll or directly share it to Instagram or TikTok. And that's how easy to use Afterlight video in editing your video. Now, another option is by using Instagram. So you can open your Instagram. Once you have Instagram open, we just need to basically create a reel. So just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And I am currently on a reel, so this is good. I'm just gonna select the video I want to edit. In this case, it's just this one. I'll tap next. And as you can see, there's an option to edit the speed here. So just tap on that and then just select what speed you like. So maybe let's go for the 0.3 speed. And from here, we can just tap next at the right top corner. And then you can save it by tapping the arrow icon at the right top corner of the page. Once saved, you should be able to find this on your camera roll. And as you can see, here it is. And those are your options on how to slow-mo video on iPhone after recording. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.